Alessandra de Rossi, born Alessandra Teotonco Skirvone, on July 19, 1984, is a Filipino actress and writer. Known for her dramatic and comedic performances in independent film and television, she made her screen debut in the comedy series Oka Tokat. Her breakthrough came when she played Valentina in the series Darna, which led to various supporting and antagonist roles in television. Her work has received accolades from various award-giving bodies, including an ASEAN International Film Festival and Awards, 3 FAMAS Awards, 3 Gawad Urian Awards, 3 PMPC Star Awards for movies, and a Cinema International Film Festival Award. De Rossi co-starred in the romantic comedy film Kita Kita, starring alongside comedian Impoy Marquez. The film eventually became the highest-grossing Filipino independent film of all time, earning $300 million, or approximately $5.88 million United States dollars, within 3 weeks of its release. Due to the movie's popularity, Philippine entertainment media sources dubbed their pairing as Alempoy. After her successful portrayal in Kita Kita, De Rossi pledged not to accept antagonist roles anymore in either television and feature films. De Rossi returned to Viva when she signed exclusive contract with Viva Artists Agency and made her film production business co-ventured by Viva Films, named AWOO, acronym of A World of Our Own. Her first movie, Magic Kingdom, was produced and released by Viva Films in 1997. She and Marquez returned as a love team in the 2023 film Walang Capris, produced by Viva Films. De Rossi directed, co-produced, and starred her first movie, My Amanda, a romantic drama movie starring Piolo Pascual, which was released in 2021. The movie was released in Netflix. She directed her second film, Everyone Knows Everyone, a family movie which was released in October 2025. De Rossi founded her own company known as A World of Our Own, a Woo Production, where she serves as a CEO of her own company. In 2021, a Woo company has a film outfit, production, and a music record label known as AWOO Music Records. The AWOO Music Records is a sublabel of Lily Star Records. Artists Haya and singer Alpha are the first 2 artists to join AWOO Records in 2021. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.